Hey, it's Rodney Fentress, Keller Williams Town Center. Wanted to show you a new rental listing today. This is 1112 Railroad Avenue in Chesapeake, right off of Portlock. 1,624 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, actually 2.5 baths. Completely updated in 2014. Still shows like a completely renovated home. This is the converted garage, spare room, bathroom. Most of the carpet is new. Smells like a new home in here. Huge master bedroom. Show you that real quick. His and hers closets. Nice carpet. Lots of square footage in the master, as you can see. Awesome master bath. We have this one listed for $15.25 a month, and it's available now. As you can see, it's vacant. Second bedroom, full bath, laundry area. Third bedroom. All right, so again, 1112 Railroad Avenue, Chesapeake, right off of Portlock. Single family home, $15.25 a month, available now. Give me a call, 757-383-4293 to see it. Have a good day.